Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm giving you the entire 411, everything you need to know if you are a newbie starting your fitness journey. Or if you already started your fitness journey and you kind of stopped and now you're picking it back up. Or if you're on a fitness journey and you don't really know where you're going, you've come to the right place. There are 5 steps in this guide, starting with number 1, all about tracking your progress. You need to become familiar with the current status of your physique. As painful as it might be, it is really important to take progress photos. It's one thing to be constantly weighing yourself, but what I believe in is that if you weigh yourself, it's just a number, and people can get really caught up in their head about thinking about how they want to reach a certain number, but in reality, everybody weighs different because everybody's bodies are different. Some people are really tall, so 150 will look different on them versus someone who is short. So in my opinion, the best way to keep track of your progress is through progress pictures, not through weighing yourself, because weighing yourself, you can really easily define yourself as a number, and you should not be defining yourself as a number. It will mess up with your mind space and your mental health, and it's just, in my opinion, not healthy. But if it works for you, then keep it up. But for me, I definitely suggest taking progress photos. I remember taking my first 2 years ago and I was mortified. I look back at these photos and I see the biggest change. Take a progress photo, front, back, the side. It's okay, because you're going to check it after. Every 4 weeks, you're gonna take a new one. You're gonna see where progress is being made, you're gonna see where progress isn't being made, and it's gonna help you kind of shift your workout schedule, your eating, and kind of figure out what's going on. Number 2, it is so important to set a goal. If you have a goal, you will work towards a goal. If you don't have a goal, then you're gonna be like, why the heck am I working out? Now, I prefer small to medium-sized goals. Whether that is, okay, for 21 days, I'm going to cut out all pop. And I know for some of you, that might seem impossible. You might set a goal saying that you want to increase your muscle mass by burning fat. And some of you might simply just want to lose some weight. Set a goal, work towards that goal, write it down, put it as a screensaver on your phone. Don't forget that goal and work towards that goal. Number 3 is all about planning ahead. Now, if you work all day, you're not going to want to come home and cook. You might go to the pantry and have a nice big bowl of cereal. So you can get around this by planning ahead and meal prepping. Meal prepping for me is amazing because it allows me to plan the food the day ahead or even 2 days ahead, and it really helps me because in that certain day, I will be more inclined to grab whatever is in front of me when I'm hungry versus the healthier choice. So this way it helps guide me in the right direction. You're going to be saving money, you're going to be prepared, and you're going to be eating clean. Now, to go along with prepping your meals, it's important to try and count your macros. Now, what the heck are macros, Taylor? Protein, carbs, and fat. That's all the stuff in food that you are intaking, and you need to be calculating. To do that, I use my favorite app, MyFitnessPal. And lastly, create a workout plan. There are so many resources on the internet with free workouts, free personal trainers. Sit down and make a workout plan. Monday, do legs. Tuesday, do shoulders. Wednesday, do cardio. Friday, do legs again. See? Just like that. And then you can go online and find workouts for every single day. You can find workouts for every single one of those muscle groups. I have workouts on my channel for every single one of those muscle groups. So if you want to go check them out, they're right there. Create a plan, stick to that plan. When you have that plan, schedule in your workouts. Then we will be straight on our way to achieving our fitness goals. All right, guys, those are 5 simple ways to get you on your way to achieving your fitness goals and getting you that dream body that you've always wanted. If you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any more tips with Tay. Bye.